What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking like a freaking mess, but I was putting in work, so let me kind of just run you up to speed of what I did and what we're going to do. So the last video you guys saw, I pulled all this unnecessary stuff out. At least it's unnecessary for me. I'm not going to use that stock intake manifold. We're going to make one. Power steering is going to go bye-bye. Just a couple of pulleys, brackets, and stuff. I sprayed the entire engine with some Simple Green. Organic, good for aluminum, not going to pit it. It's just soaking. So today we're going to be pretty much cleaning off the whole block. I made this beautiful little delete plate so that way nothing goes on the intake side, and I ended up butting the manifolds back on the hot intake, or not intake side, on the hot exhaust side. At least, you know, just trying to keep the head clean, because it's we're not trying to ruin anything, and we're gonna make this bad boy go. So got the electric pressure washer out, got the tripod out, got the zip ties, of course, race style. So, you know, pretty much let's just get to it and get to cleaning. Not too freaking bad, man. For the first time spraying it off, I can genuinely say I see a hell of a difference. It's probably going to need maybe 2 more times of the pressure washer and Simple Green. Maybe even some brake cleaner, you know, something a little bit more aggressive. But for now, check it out. I mean, the oil pan, first of all, was freaking completely caked in oil. You guys saw all this. I mean, not freaking bad, man. There's obviously a little bit of stuff in there, but not freaking bad. Hell yeah. Made a mess. I got a little wet, but it was freaking worth it, man. It was hella worth it. And in this bucket right here, I don't know if you guys can see that up close. See that little bit of bubbling going on? That's eating rust. I have this rust remover chemical that I'm trying out. And yeah, you can really see it right there. Yeah. But it's doing some damn work, y'all. Made a mess for the best solution. To get all this shit clean, because, you know, dirty engines are not fun to freaking work on. That being said, guys, beard update. It's a mess, but hey, size don't matter, okay? It's about quality. Anyways, so all that being said, I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to end up spraying the engine again, shoot some pictures after the video of, you know, before and after. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Till next time. Out real quick. You remember this bracket? Look at that. You guys remember this bracket?
It looked something like the rest of all this.
Check this out. Look at it. That's not bad, right? Hey, this ain't no sponsored ad, but this Rust-Oleum Rust Dissolver, man, that's some nice shit. Look at that. 30 minutes. It's been soaking in here. This isn't even full strength. Well, this is full strength, but that's not. Look at this. It burns, but look, I ain't even sprayed it yet. I ain't freaking sprayed it. I mean, you can see. Check that shit out. That's some nice shit, man. Thought the video was over with some more bonus content right here. Fuck it. you guys got rust, at least surface rust, I recommend that stuff, man. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to cleaning.